Okay, here's an adventure. My bike quit working, and it's right there. And I had to call Kimmy and Yan to come and save me. The one lady, I went to the house right across the street. She was afraid to even talk to me. I had Kimmy on the phone, and she was afraid of me. So her son walked me to the neighbor, and she talked to Kimmy and let me sit on her porch. So I'm up. It'll probably take about 30 minutes for Yan to get here, because I went along the river here for a while, and I'm not really close. I'm not very close. So it's not a real good place to be when your bike stops working. So, but it's a pretty place up here. And this is the house that's helping me. So not much to do but wait now. I don't know. I slowed down and stopped. It's electric. I slowed down and stopped and went to make a U-turn in this road, and then it wouldn't work. So there's a power or some kind of power switch. It flips off when there's a problem with the battery. So it keeps switching off. So there's something the matter with the battery, I guess. I think it's fully charged. So I don't know. I don't know what's wrong. So this is the adventure I didn't want. The adventure of sitting here doing nothing, watching traffic pass by. But anyway, that's it for now.